Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. Today we're looking at a catch-up on a 6-bedroom HMO conversion we're doing at the moment. Let's jump into this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name's Nic Clark. Let's have a look. Okay, so there's quite a lot happened to this property since I last updated. The last time was a complete shell. So if you haven't seen that video previously before, just click up here. You can actually see what this property looks like with nothing in it. So you can see we've got a lot of joinery that has been gone on. So just up above here, we've got all the actual joists that have gone in. So we've got C24 joist going across from there, creating the support that we need for the floors above. And then we've also got some 2x4 here, which is basically gone against the wall. Now the reason why we've done this solely is just to give us a true line from one end to the other of the building, okay? This really helps us to make it easier for plastering. So thinking about time efficiency down the line, these are just, we've templated it and it's just pretty much stick on the wall, all nice and done from here. So we've still got a lot of timber over here as well. We're doing a conversion next door there. So a lot of this timber is going in next door as well. But we've got the first 2 floors done, so the first floor and then the second floor, so we're creating 3 stories in total with this property. So let's jump upstairs and have a look what's been going on up there. Okay, so we're at on the second floor, sorry, the first floor at the moment. So what I'm standing in now, which is going to be one of the bedrooms with the actual en-suites, okay? Now you'll notice as well, we've also replicated downstairs up here, obviously the wood on the walls with the foams behind it. This obviously creates not just an easier thing for plastering, but also a good soundproofing as well. So now at the top over here, you'll notice we've got the actual third floor up here, okay? And basically what we're going to be doing in the middle here, where you can see right now, is we're actually going to be creating the stairs right in the center of the property, okay? So that way we're able to create the space that we actually want throughout the property, rather than actually working around what actual infrastructure is there as well, okay? So we'll have all the waste all the way in the middle. So in future videos I'll go into that. But as for here, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be utilizing the extension at the rear, which was the original bathroom. So we kept this exactly the same. So the reason why we're doing this is just so we can actually have a nice big large double bedroom in there. All our bedrooms are double bedrooms as well, but coming out here, what you will find is that the en-suites will basically be in the center of the property around about here. Okay, so you have en-suite over here, replicate to the top, and then we'll obviously be doing an extension to the top as well. Let's look downstairs. We're doing obviously an extension to the rear, so we're doing the foundations of those at the moment. Let's jump down on that now. Okay, so we're at the rear of the property now. So this is the original kitchen. Behind me, what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to have the communal space with kitchen, and we're going to come into this space as well. Now, actually going out to the rear of the property here, okay, you'll notice we've actually got the foundations that have been dug. So under the perimeter development, what we are doing is we're actually taking up to the boundaries over here. So we've consulted with building regs on this to make sure that everything's all to par. And basically what we're going to be doing is coming to the rear of the property here, and you can see we're actually digging the foundations for the extension. So we're taking it right up to here. So we've got prior approval here that's been accepted. We're able to bring the property out to this mark over here, which is in alignment with next door. You'll notice the building up there has come out to here as well. So what we're doing is we've got a precedence here as well. And you notice next door is doing exactly the same. It's because we're developing that one as well. So if you want to actually have a look at that video, click up here and you can actually see that in future videos there. Now we are going to be breaking through here, and all this is going to be a bedroom with an ensuite to the rear of the property as well. So if you guys actually want to profit from UK property and you want it done with minimal time involvement, so you can replace your income and redefine your retirement one property at a time, head to jenicproperty.com, where you can book in a free call with one of our team, and we can actually see what your short-term and long-term goals are and help you profit from UK property with minimal time involvement. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on next week's Refurb Wednesdays. Thanks for watching. My name's Nic Clark. I'll see you next week.